my name is James Bolode. I am from grade 11, section Bologna, taking up science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So in this video, we are going to talk about basic calculus, specifically differential calculus, which is the related rates on how to solve the airplane problem. So come and join me and let's begin to solve the problem. Let's go! Are you planning to take up aeronautical engineering to become a pilot? If so, let's solve a problem related to airplanes.
In differential calculus, related rates problems involve finding a rate at which a quantity changes by relating that quantity to other quantities whose rates of change are unknown. Rate of change is usually with respect to time. A related rates problem is a problem which involves at least two changing quantities and asks you to figure out the rate at which one is changing given sufficient information on all of the others. An airplane is flying horizontally with a speed of 400 miles per hour at an altitude of 3 miles above a radar station. How fast is the distance between the plane and the radar station changing when the plane is 5 miles away from the station?
We have to draw an imaginary airplane, and this line represents its direction. This line represents the altitude between the airplane and the radar. And this line represents the distance between the radar station and where the airplane is moving. Let us name this line as X, and this line is Y, and this line is Z. Then, we can now have the value of Z, which is 5, and the value of Y is equal to 3, and the value of X is yet to be determined. This line A represents the starting point of the airplane where it is in line with the radar station. This point B is where the airplane now on. 3 is the value of Y. We use Pythagorean theorem. Z squared is equal to X squared plus Y squared. So we have 5 squared is equal to X squared plus 3 squared. So this would become 25 minus 9 is equal to X squared. 25 minus 9 is equal to 16, and 16 is equal to X squared.
So, the square root of 16 is equal to the square root of x squared. Omit the exponent 2 and the radical sign, so the answer is x is equal to 4. Now, we have identified already the value of x. So x is equal to 4. Using the same formula, z squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. Let's perform implicit differentiation but with respect to time. So the quantity of z squared is equals to x squared plus y squared times d over dt. The derivative of z squared is gonna be 2z times dz over dt is equal to the derivative of x squared, which is 2x dx over dt. Squared is gonna be 0 because y is constant. Now, let's divide both sides by 2. So z is equal to 5 dz over dt, and x is 4, and dx over dt is 400. So let us divide both sides by 5, and it should give us the answer. So, cancel 5 and 400, it would give us 80 and 1. Multiply 4 by 80, the answer is dz over dt is equal to 320 miles per hour. And that would be the final answer. Thank you and goodbye.